Here's a quick video on how you can link Chime to Cash App. So just press on your profile icon right here at the top right corner of Cash App. Then from here under account and settings, we need to go to linked banks. So select it. Right here, you should get the option to link a debit card. So I'm just going to press on it. So from here, once we're taken here, we actually need to select no card, question mark. Then it will take a little bit of time to load, but you will get this option to link your bank account. So click on continue. And then from here, you can search for your institution, but this tutorial is about Chime. So we're just going to click on Chime. And then right here, you just have to log in into your Chime account, and it will take you through the process of linking it. It's super simple. So once you have logged in here, you will be linked to Chime with Cash App. So hope this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and sub, and I'll see you next time.